Hey everybody, and welcome to another craft tutorial. Today we're going to do a review on one of the Mega Craft bundles. And I want to introduce you to our kitten, Magnolia. The reason she's here is because during the video you will probably hear her fall off the desk. And I promised you that you would get to see her. So this is Magnolia. She's 8.5 months old and just sweet as can be. So let's go over to the computer so I can show you guys how to use the craft bundle and all the great stuff that comes with it. Alright guys, so we're over at designbundles.net and we are checking out the Crafter's Delight Bundle Volume 5. The Crafter's Delight Bundles have a couple different things than the Mega Craft Bundles. They're a little bit different. This one has a value of $286 and it's only $24. I am recording this video on April 11th. So as of April 11th, there were 34 days left. I will link this below. But we're going to take a look at what is included in our bundle here. I want to make sure that you guys understand what you get when you buy these bundles, because if it's a cruddy bundle, I'm going to tell you, like, don't buy this because you've already got all this stuff if you bought previous bundles. So some of this stuff we do have in some of the other bundles or similar items. So that's something that you want to keep in mind if you're purchasing. If you only need maybe one or two small things out of a bundle, it's probably not worth your value. But on this one, I think we do get a lot of different things. So we have a breast cancer awareness SVG. I think this is really, really pretty. I checked it out the other day and I just liked it. I thought it's really special and it's really cute, and you could easily, you know, change the color of the ribbon if you wanted to make it for any type of awareness ribbon that you wanted to. But I think the flowers make it so pretty and just very feminine, very, very cute. You get this one single cruise ship SVG, and you'll see some that are just going to be single SVGs, but that's totally okay. This one's hilarious. It's oh ship, it's a family trip. The nice thing with this is that with the different colors, you're going to be able to change those colors to whatever you want. We have a kitchen quotes bundle. This one is very similar to one of the previous bundles that we got, but there are some different designs, so you'll just want to kind of keep that in mind, that this one is pretty similar. But I do love Turn It Up, This Is My Jam, and this followed my heart and it led me to the fridge. Like, oh girl, yes, oh my gosh, love. But these are great. You can do so much with them. They're great for flower sack towels or like little framed art. These are super cute, any kind of kitchen decor. These are really cute on cutting boards, lots of options. So the kitchen bundle, very, very cute. Like that one a lot. This is another single SVG, and this one is for a dog that you have lost, perhaps a cat too. The paw prints aren't quite right, but it'll do for a cat as well. But this just comes with this one single SVG, and it's just this, and you can size any of these to fit into what you need them to fit. So if you have a longer sign, so there's that one. This is great. The autism bundle is fantastic. April is Autism Awareness Month, so a lot of these you're going to do as a print then cut so you'll see, I'll make this bigger so you guys can see. You'll see with the heart being the puzzle piece and this the puzzle piece, and then like the bear and the heart down here. Those are, unless you have the autism printed HTV, which I will leave a link for that down below, but it is a different pattern than what you're seeing on these. So you can print and cut just parts of it, or you could print and cut the whole thing. But this one would be very, very cute. I love these ones with just the different colors, like this one, always unique, totally intelligent, sometimes mysterious. I think those are fantastic. Again, great bundle package. I think very, very cute. Here are the very popular heifer ones. And the heifer one has a lot of different ones. Like, But Did You Die Heifer? I think that one's funny. Not Today Heifer, Cow Whisperer, Heifer's Gonna Hate, Heifer Life, Don't Bowl. And a lot of these, what you can do, so you can actually take them apart a little bit more. And if you wanted to use maybe this heifer here with the bandana with this quote, you could easily switch out your cows just by loading two of the SVGs into your design space or into your Silhouette software, removing one cow and placing the other cow in its place. So you can do a lot to kind of customize these more, which is fun. The leather bracelets, I'm dying to try these. So want to try one of these. I think these are super duper fun. They are something different that you don't see a lot of, and these are just very creative, and I'm dying to try one. So we will be definitely trying these soon. But look how pretty these came out. Are they not gorgeous? Something like this, I would probably use genuine leather and not a faux leather, but look at the cool designs. These are really cool, and these would be really fun gifts for friends and family, brides, grooms, all that sort of thing you could totally do with these. This blessed one is really cute. I'm loving the hearts. So yeah, this one, I think that bundle is really great and something different. We also have a bow bundle, which are wonderful because you've got a couple different types of styles, and you can see this one has like leather cutouts, which is really cool. Like we have lattice work and stripes and polka dots, and you can kind of mix and match so that you can make them your style. Rolled flowers, guys. Oh, I'm so excited about the rolled flowers. I think there's a bunch. Oh my. Okay, let's see if it tells me how many. So you get 15 different rolled flower styles. Now, I have a rolled flower video, but those ones are, if you don't have access, are 99 cents a piece. So at $15, you're already paying for most of this bundle, and you're getting a ton more stuff, plus all these great rolled flowers. And they have a lot of different styles, which I'm super excited to do. I'm really liking this red one over in this corner. I think that one looks really fun. So I'm going to say, honestly, the rolled flowers alone make this exciting for me. This animal paper cutout, I'm not even going to open because it's pretty much there. I don't think I would have a use for it, but it's cute. The Firefighter SVG is great. Loving this. I think this is really cool because you have a couple different styles and you can mix and match. So if you wanted to use different things, and then you have, like the paramedics, fire hydrant, hook and ladder, all that good stuff. So I think that's a great bundle. This one's cool because you customize it. So it's called Subway Art, and it's where you fit all your words into your shape. So you can actually customize this one. So where the gray spots are, you see this gray spot, and this gray spot. Where those are is where you can change it to be your team name, your child's name, and their number. You can also do these in any colors that you want, so you could do red and green or whatever colors your team is. So I think that's a great deal. Love that one. This one might be one of my favorites, and I wish that I had a need for this because I think this is really fun, and it saves a lot of the trouble of trying to figure out all the fonts and trying to get the lacing that long. And so I just think this one's really cute. Again, some of these are going to be single cuts. So like this one, you get two. You get Storm Chaser and Tiny Tornado. I'm not going to open that one up. This one is great. You're going to get a bunch of bunting and banner styles, which are cool. So you can use those for lots of things. This is, now we all know I love cats. This is a cat one. It speaks to me deep in my soul. So let's take a look at the cat one. And I feel like this one's going to give you a lot of things that you could do with it and would be great for gifts or craft shows, things like that, because you are going to find a lot of crazy cat ladies who are going to love these. These are very cute. Cat lover. Look how cute that is on a tote. A pillow. This is beautiful on a pillow. A coffee mug would be really cute with these. You can do them as cards. The good thing with these is you can use them as print and cuts. You can cut them. You can cut them on cardstock or vinyl. So there's a lot of options. This thing is amazing. I love that. But there's just a lot you can do with these. So you get a really great bundle of cat things. You get this cute farm home. Here's a farm sign bundle, which we do have in another bundle, but these ones are a little bit different. I like this too. I think this is cute. Always Kiss Me Goodnight. Here's some paper flower templates. So these ones are going to be more so just the petals and not the rolled kind. I don't know that they have any pictures of them put together, which makes them just slightly harder. But these are going to be, they don't have any pictures of them put together. Let me see if we've got any comments here down at the bottom to give you any ideas. No real comments. So like these, you'd have to piece together yourself, size them yourself, things like that. I don't love it, but you could, if you've practiced enough, do those ones. We've got these beautiful monograms, a floral monogram. Graduation season's coming, so you could save yourself a ton of time right here. Another really funny cat one, a cute chicken home sign. Another wedding bundle, which I'm loving these wedding bundles. They're really, really cute. I think they have a lot of really adorable ideas in them. This one's a little bit hard to see by the pictures, but you get glow sticks, cards and gifts, photo booth, petal princess, ring security, love is sweet, take a treat. You get a hashtag sign to have and to hold and keep your drinks cold, and there's koozie ones. So you got flip-flop ones. So there's a lot of different ones in that, which I really do like. Sarcastic bundle speaks to me on many levels. So this one we have, oh boy, Monday Hates You Too. Love that. Need to wear that to work. Oh my God, I don't care at all. Guys, these ones, I really like this. I think this one's really, really fun. These are great. I would definitely call those ones totally worth it. They're funny. We've got, again, some more animal ones, which I think are cute. Oh, you've got the welcome signs. Oh, I'm so sorry for that loud noise. My cat just decided it would be a really good idea to walk on the edge of the desk and almost fall off of it. I apologize. So, we're just going to hold the kitty while we look at these. But these are really cute, and you could easily change out any of the words that say dog to cats or guinea pigs or bunnies or whatever you wanted. So I like that one. I think that's got a lot in it. This one really has a lot. We're going to try to get through this. This is great. The police officer's word art is cool. These are really pretty. They're anniversary hearts. We've got a bathroom sign. Be strong and courageous. Don't be afraid, discouraged, for the Lord will be with you wherever you go. So a nice little faith-based sign. These are hand-lettered nurses' designs. So what hand-lettered means is it's not a font. It's somebody actual handwriting to do these most of the time. I think these are very cute. I love the stethoscopes. They are, oh wow, they're so cute. And I think Nurses Appreciation Day is coming up soon, but don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it is. Here's another faith-based sign. Dad's Garage, I love that. That's very cute. Here are some more earring templates like these. These are different. They're totally not something I've seen before. The No Drama Llama is hysterical, and I love the style that they did that in. The giraffe, super cute. This is great, especially with the end of school coming for teacher gifts. This one is very, very cute. I think this would be wonderful. Both, you could do this on a t-shirt or on a tote or on a little frame. Be very easy to do. It's already got the shadow layer in there, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure out how to do that. So it's already built in. We've got some home and family signs. These, oh my goodness, guys, these are cute. Look how cute these are. Oh, I like these. For you guys who are obsessed with weeding, these are so good. Look, we got a cat and a dog, hedgehog, a unicorn, a llama. We've got lots of great stuff in that. So that would be really cute. That's really fun to weed. Sprinkle kindness like confetti. Now this one you do also get a few fonts, which is awesome. This Royally is so pretty. I have used it a couple times already, and I really, really like it. It's very, very pretty. So let's go ahead and open that so you guys can see it. I love the little hearts. You get roses are red. You get some monograms. I don't understand why they have a picture of the guinea pig, but it's very cute. You get like this. I just like the little hearts. I think they're very cute. Look how pretty that is for a wedding sign. The egg hunt is cute. Yeah, these are very cute, and these are fun to mix and match, which is great. I think it's really fun that you get to mix and match the fonts, which is fun. We've got some hand-lettered monograms, banana pancakes, Undella. These guys do come with your extra swirls. Frisky Jam. I wonder who comes up with some of the names of these, because these are great. Now this one is, don't ask me to pronounce it. I don't know how you would, but I really like it. I think it's so pretty. It would probably be a little more difficult to cut on vinyl, so to speak, but I think it could be done. You just have to be careful. But look at how pretty these are. I just think these are really creative. You can be so fun with these. And like I said, these come with all those extra swirls, so you're getting all sorts of, it's like 800 glyphs it says, so you get a lot, and you can always combine those with other, fonts. Block Party's very cute, and I like Childlike as well. So you do get a lot in this bundle. I will say that for the price, this one is totally worth it. This one, again, is $24 with a value of $286. So it is a little pricier than some of the other bundles, but with this one, you are getting a lot more, and you're getting fonts and things like that. So keep that in mind. Now, I will link this below so that you guys can check that out. Let's get rid of that because that's in the way. And honestly, guys, I would call this a great value, especially if you are doing weddings, craft shows, graduation stuff. I think you get a lot with this. I hope you guys had a fun time checking out your Crafter's Delight Bundle Volume 5. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. Hit that bell icon because that will alert you to when I post a new video. Have a great day and happy crafting.